How to fix GTA 5 black screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix GTA 5 black screen error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is just open up your settings first. So you can directly search for display settings on your search bar as well. And display settings should open up like this. After your display setting opens up, you can scroll down. You can check for your scale, your resolution, and display orientation, and all the other stuff. Make sure that your resolution is set to the recommended uh, resolution. After doing that, scroll down. Now, there you can get information about your card and about your display. So we'll head over to Advanced Display. And right here, you will see select a display to view or change its settings. So right here, make sure that the display you're setting is your graphic card. Now, I don't have a graphic card. I don't have a graphic card specific to gaming, but whichever you have, make sure that you've selected that one right here. After you've selected that, your problem should actually get fixed. You can tap on this option that says Display Adapter Properties for Display 1, and you can make sure that all of these are, set properly. So right here, you will see different options. You can head over to properties of your graphic card as well. You can check the drivers right here. And on your drivers, make sure you update the driver. Tap on update and you can search for automatically for drivers and use the one that's best for your device. After doing that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure that you press on apply as well. And yeah, stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.